For our first story, Adam Neumann is famous for the Jamie Dimon. No, for almost destroying WeWork along with Miguel.
But Adam Neumann just launched a new startup, and guess what? It's already worth $1 billion.
All right, can we just put this out there, Yetis? If Hulu doesn't make a 6-part series about your company's downfall, then what is your company even doing these days?
The top of the list of 6-part series about company downfalls is We Crashed.
Which is really the story of WeWork.
Yeah, it's really the story of Adam Neumann.
Tequila and term sheets. That's what Adam does.
Top shelf tequila, bottom shelf term sheets.
Yeah, when he was running WeWork, Adam famously raised a whopping $5 billion from venture capital firms.
He got WeWork, the co-working company, to a shocking $47 billion peak valuation.
It's like 7 lifts, $47 billion.
But Adam's ego and his crazy antics ended up kind of destroying the company right before the IPO.
And so Adam conveniently got paid $1 billion to leave WeWork because he was holding the company back from its IPO.
It was basically hush money, basically a golden parachute.
Well, that was 2019. WeWork survived. It eventually went public. It's doing fine now.
It is doing fine. It's a good company, but it's worth 1/10 of that peak $47 billion valuation.
But funny thing, besties, for the last 3 years, Adam Neumann has been meditating. He's been juice cleansing. He's been manifesting in his lovely Manhattan condo.
And quietly acquiring 3,000 rental apartments.
Because remember, just because someone's been quiet doesn't mean they've been inactive.
Surprise! Adam announced yesterday that he spent some of that $1 billion of WeWork hush money.
He did.
On real estate. He's been snatching up entire apartment buildings across the Southeast.
Yeah, if you live in Nashville, Miami, or Atlanta, and you're living the millennial lifestyle, Adam Neumann may be your landlord.
And on Monday, he announced why. His new real estate startup, and it's called Flow.
Flow, not like his hair, but kind of like his hair. It's just a website right now, we should point out.
It's just a landing page. There's like no details on the website.
But the business itself, it's apartment living that's supposed to feel like a commune. You pay one rent and you get a whole bunch of services.
But this isn't your conventional apartment deal.
No.
This is more like a millennial summer camp you'll be buying.
This rent is going to come with a dog valet and a party room and a saltwater pool because the chlorine messes with my glow.
And we all know hair looks fantastic after being drenched in salt water.
Exactly. But Jack and I were thinking about this, and you know what? We've seen this before. We have seen Flow before.
Yes, apartment living that feels like a commune. That was the original idea of We Live, which was part of the original idea for WeWork.
You're not renting 4 walls and a roof. You're investing in yourself in a way of life.
That's Adam's pitch to prospective renters at his new business.
But here's the wildest part about Flow. It's not that Flow is just a website right now or that it's just an idea.
It's that it's already worth $1 billion.
Get this. The famous venture capital firm Andreessen Horowitz just wrote their biggest check ever to this company.
The most famous VC firm in the world, Andreessen Horowitz, has never been more invested in a company than Adam Neumann's new company.
They just dropped $350 million into Adam Neumann's pocket. We're talking Adam Neumann, a guy famous for selling ideas not historically worth all the billions they said they were.
Andreessen Horowitz could become the new Massa.
So Jack, what's the takeaway for our buddies over at Flow?
Adam got this check because he's a refounder now. He's a second-time entrepreneur.
Yetis, WeWork redefined the workplace. It changed an industry, but it wasn't worth $47 billion.
Now we're seeing that a key unspoken value of the WeWork debacle was the education of Adam.
Yeah, the WeWork debacle was his $12 billion MBA program.
That's why Andreessen Horowitz said in a blog post they're investing in Flow, for the lessons Adam learned.
Adam's not a founder. Now he's a refounder. And with Flow, he gets the chance to improve on his original idea and his original antics.
And second-time founders are more successful than first-time founders.
Yeah, according to a Harvard Business School study, entrepreneurs are 50% more successful with their second venture because of what they learned from the first venture.
Look at Bill Gates. Look at Steve Jobs. Look at Walt Disney. They all started companies that failed and then launched a related second company that went on to change the world.
Adam got this check because he's a refounder. He's a second-time entrepreneur.
Thanks for T-boying with us. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for Pop Biz every day.